Okay, so today I wanted to do something a little bit different for me as far as my makeup goes. I'm going to try and do a little bit of a traditional look with like a winged liner and a red lipstick. So, yeah, I'm going to start off with my eyes because I usually don't do a winged liner because I have hooded eyes. So, first off, I don't know where my liquid eyeliners are, so I'm using a pencil. This is from Pixie. Uh, any products that I don't mention by name are products that I got before I was cruelty-free, and I'm trying to use them up and not trying to promote them. Alright. So. Right. Kind of like continue from your lower lash line, and then that's not too bad to start. Then you kind of like sharpen it up this way. Oh, that's a good one. I like a little bit of a chunky wing that thins out. We are body positive on our eyeliner wings. And then the outer half of the lash line I also do. That's one eye. That's actually cute. Wow. And then the other eye. With the liner on, now I'm going to go in with Lilac You a Lot. It's one of my favorite palettes. I think I said that in my last video. It's really pretty. I'm going to go in with Imagine That, this really cute little silvery purple. I'm going to put it all over the lid. And this was not a brush I think was washed. Using a different brush for that. And then on the inner corner, I will take Trainwreck right here. And I'll take Imagine That up even higher. I'll take Zoned Out too, the beige, the taupe, I guess. And I just covered up the work I just did on my lashes, on my liner, so I'm going to take a liquid liner this time and touch it up. and I guess that's the eyeshadow look. Or no, I'm still gonna take more of the... It's just not translating because I don't have a lot of light up, but it's a nice lilac whenever I look in the mirror. And now I'll go in with the face. First, I'm going to do the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, which is quickly becoming a favorite. It's way too much. This sells out pretty quickly depending on where you are, but it's $8 and it's really nice, and they stock it at Walmarts all over the place, and you know, wherever else sells e.l.f. that, like, their whole stock. Then I'm going to use a foundation that is in my reused ColourPop foundation bottle that was in a squeezy tube that I didn't like was in a squeezy tube. This is what I'm trying to pan because it oxidizes like a motherfucker. If there's something that you generally don't want in your foundation, it's oxidization, because, like, it looks fine here, like, it looks, you know, like it's matching the rest of my skin, but then, you know, nonsense happens. And then I'm going to go in with a concealer. This is the CoverGirl concealer. It smells pretty heavily of paint. I'm going to blend that in with the rest of my foundation. I know I do a lot of, like, really out there looks, but I wanted to do something like people could actually go outside and do, and have it be, you know, kind of seasonal, because, you know, like a subtle eye, except for a winged liner and a red lip, is pretty common for this time of year. Speaking on, I'm going to throw on this lash. So do highlight. This is Spellbound by ColourPop. It's got pan. These are like some of the prettiest highlights out there. It's a gorgeous sparkly, like, pink and purple and blue, and doesn't ever fully translate on camera how gorgeous it is, but it's just great, honestly. And now I'm going to do a blush. I actually use this palette for blush a lot. It has a lot of great blush shades in here. I'm going to be brave and try the red. One dip. And now I'm going to do my brows, which okay, no, can't find my brow stuff, so I guess I'll just dye. Next I'm going to go in with the lips. I usually don't like liquid lipsticks. I think that they're too much trouble to apply for what it's worth, and then they're kind of uncomfortable, but in the case of reds, I make an exception because red bullet lipsticks are usually really creamy and transfer all over the place, so you want something that will stick on, which is this. This is I Am Adaptable by Real Her. It's kind of expensive, so just use whatever liquid lipstick you have access. And yeah, I think that's about it. Unless I want to throw a gloss on. Do I want to throw a gloss on? I'm good. So, this is the final, like, holiday appropriate, neutral purple toned eye with a red lip and nice heavy draped blush that makes it look like you just stepped out from a cold. And I rarely, if ever, do eyeliner like this. Do not be surprised if this is the only time I do this on my channel. I just wanted to do something that would actually be used by people, and that's about it. Bye!